We did not see this coming. OpenAI is secretly relaunching its AI Robotics division. This isn't publicly confirmed yet, but OpenAI has posted several job openings to start building up a robotics team, signaling a massive shift in their strategy. What this means, and what's expected to come, well, wait until you see this. Now, if you remember, back in 2021, OpenAI made headlines by shutting down its robotics team. At the time, they decided to focus all their efforts on generative AI, leading to the groundbreaking release of GPT-3 and, later, GPT-4. But as quickly as they started researching AI robotics, boom, they ended their program just as fast. Did they have something that society was simply not ready for? Or did they just think they couldn't compete? The official reasoning out of OpenAI for the abandonment of the program was a claim that more than data and reinforcement learning was needed to achieve their ambitious goals. Fast forward to today, and let me tell you, OpenAI certainly has more than just data and reinforcement learning capabilities now. Want to know what an OpenAI robotics program means for all of us? Here it is. Remember the buzz around their Q-Star project? Although details were sparse, it was rumored to be a significant step towards AGI. Was it so dangerous to the public that it, for a hot second, got Sam Altman fired? Combine this with the capabilities of GPT-4o and the anticipated GPT-5, and you have a recipe for the most advanced AI-driven robots ever. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason why an OpenAI robotics program could supercharge the development in the space. But let's get specific here. GPT-4o, for instance, has already shown us its incredible ability to process and understand complex data. Imagine these capabilities being integrated into robots. These robots wouldn't just perform tasks. They would understand context, learn from interactions, and adapt in real time. It's like moving from having a basic smartphone to a fully fledged personal assistant that anticipates your needs before you even ask. Moreover, GPT-4o's multimodal capabilities, which allow it to process text, images, and sensory data simultaneously, make it ideal for robotics. This means a robot equipped with GPT-4o can not only understand verbal commands, but also interpret visual cues and environmental changes, making it incredibly versatile and adaptive. For example, a home assistant robot could recognize when a family member is feeling unwell based on their movements and facial expressions, then suggest appropriate actions like notifying a caregiver or recommending rest. OpenAI's renewed focus on robotics also involves integrating advanced reinforcement learning techniques. This allows robots to continuously learn and improve from their experiences. Imagine a robot in a kitchen that learns to cook by observing a chef and then refines its techniques with each meal it prepares. Over time, this robot could become an expert cook, adapting recipes to suit individual tastes and dietary needs. The same principles could be applied to robots in manufacturing, healthcare, and other fields where precision and adaptability are crucial. Additionally, OpenAI's work on AGI means that these robots could eventually develop a level of understanding and decision-making that closely resembles human cognition. This opens up possibilities for robots that can engage in complex problem-solving, offer personalized assistance, and even provide companionship. And before we go any further, the technology to pull this off is already here. This is how good OpenAI's technology already is. Check out how GPT-4o can already provide human-like insights almost instantaneously.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, Rocky. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm awesome. Listen, I got some huge news.
Oh, do tell. I'm all ears.
Well, in a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. Have you heard of them?
OpenAI? Huh? Sounds vaguely familiar.
And if you think they're going to have a ramp-up period before anything significant is developed, think again. OpenAI hasn't been sitting idle. They've invested in some of the sickest AI robotic projects out there. For example, they're backed companies like Figure AI and 1X, which are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-driven robots. Figure AI is working on humanoid robots that can perform complex tasks with human-like dexterity and decision-making. Imagine a robot that not only understands what a task is, but can also figure out the best way to accomplish it, even if conditions change. Check this out. These robots can assist in construction, manufacturing, and even disaster response, where adaptability and quick thinking are essential. 1X, on the other hand, uses a modified version of ChatGPT in their Eve robots. These robots can process and respond to commands with remarkable accuracy, thanks to their integration with advanced AI models. Eve robots, for instance, can assist elderly individuals by reminding them to take their medication, helping with daily activities, and providing companionship. The ability to understand and respond to natural language makes these interactions seamless and intuitive. OpenAI's earlier work in robotics was groundbreaking. The Dactyl project, for example, demonstrated how a robot hand could learn to manipulate objects with incredible precision. Using techniques like one-shot imitation learning, they taught robots to perform tasks by simply observing human actions in a virtual environment. This approach was innovative, but required a robust AI foundation to realize its full potential. Dactyl's ability to solve a Rubik's Cube showcased the potential for robots to handle intricate tasks, laying the groundwork for more advanced applications. OpenAI's new approach involves creating multimodal large language models specifically for robotics. These models can process and integrate various types of data, from visual inputs to sensory feedback, enabling robots to perform complex tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency. By leveraging these advanced models, OpenAI aims to create robots that can understand and interact with their environment in ways that were previously unimaginable. One significant advancement is the use of reinforcement learning combined with real-time data processing. This allows robots to learn from their actions and adapt their behavior based on feedback. For example, a robot in a manufacturing setting can adjust its movements to handle delicate materials more carefully, or increase its speed when working with more robust components. This adaptability is crucial for applications where precision and efficiency are paramount. Furthermore, OpenAI's collaboration with external partners means that their robotics innovations are not developed in isolation. By working with companies that specialize in various aspects of robotics, OpenAI can integrate cutting-edge technologies and methodologies into their models. So, what does this mean for the future? With OpenAI's renewed focus on robotics, we can expect a new wave of intelligent machines that are more capable, adaptable, and intuitive than ever before. These robots could revolutionize industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, by taking on tasks that are too complex or dangerous for humans. Imagine robots that can assist in surgeries, navigate hazardous environments, or even provide companionship and care in homes and hospitals. Moreover, OpenAI's partnership with external companies means we'll likely see a rapid acceleration in the development and deployment of these technologies. The integration of multimodal models, which can process not only text, but also visual and sensory data, will enable robots to understand and interact with the world in ways that were previously unimaginable. And here's an exciting thought. With the power of GPT-5 on the horizon, these robots could achieve a level of intelligence and autonomy that blurs the line between AI and human cognition. We're talking about machines that don't just follow instructions, but think, learn, and innovate independently. As soon as we hear of any updates to come out of OpenAI's robotics program, we'll bring it right to you. What sort of AI robot do you hope OpenAI creates? Leave some thoughts in the comments below.